One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. What I got here for you today is a very nice one or two owner. You know, you're gonna have to check the ad. They were the original owners, but it might have been retitled. These people actually had 6 of these. It's a 95 last year model Ford Explorer 4x4. I think it's an XLT, but it's got some really odd options. Somebody ordered this thing or something. It's got the Eddie Bauer or the limited seats, and it's a manual 4.0. So it's the one you want. It's clean. It's very clean. Runs good, drives good. While we've had it around the lot here, we probably put about 4,000 miles on it, 3,000 miles or so. Just driving around back and forth to town and such. It's a good little rig. That's it. Once around, I'll go up close, show you any little dings, dents, and minor insignificant stuff on this. And my name's Nathan. It's 406-546-8748. Other than that, tires. It comes with a set of studded snow tires also, with a set of factory directional wheels like this. These are Michelin's. I think the other ones are BF Goodrich. I'll have to show you when I get around to it. Got all the inner fender wells and stuff. Underneath it, it's a clean truck. And supposedly the old people used the other one to drive around. This was just used to go to the big town, Missoula, which was like 80 miles away, I believe. Little rock chips and such across the front balance or what have you here. Chrome's in great condition. And even got the bottom spoiler and everything intact. All the bumper fill and everything. All this stuff's straight and nice. This bumper looks like it might be tilted a bit, but I think it's my imagination. I'm not sure. Pretty dang straight. It's straight, man. And other than that, this lens has a tiny bit of condensation in it. On the hood, there is a couple tiny, insignificant rock chips. That's not a chip. That is tiny. But the wind guard or whatever saved a lot of that. A couple chips on the side. Tires in good shape, man. And a little scratchy chip there. You know, there's miscellaneous small chips. There's a piece of the little tiny pieces of the vinyl starting to flake off, get dry over time. But it's in really good shape. I'll show you under the back here. As far as dings, there's not a lot to talk about. I'm sure there's something I'm missing here, but got that thing straight. Up here, little chippage right there. I believe that's a factory sunroof. It's got the factory Ford type thing. Parts on the vinyl, tiny chips. And this has the dual where you can click that and open this, or click this way and open like this. And the back is in great condition. Very nice truck. Clean as it gets, man. Headliner's in good shape. I'll show you the inside next, but let's finish the outside. Bumper's nice and straight. And going down this side, I do see a ding. I'll show you that. Whiskey dent, if you will. Rock chips on this part. There's a little scuff there. Like maybe they had a blowout, hit it. A little patina on top. No rust. A little scrape right here. That's what they did. They hit here, scuffed here or something. A little dip, scuff right there. And then the main part of that is right here. This little part here. Tiny little ding, a little paint rubbed off there. And then a little ding rub right there. Other than that, thing's straight. A couple more chips right here. Let me show you under the hood real quick. Oh, the vinyl right here took the worst of it. All the wheels in good shape. They have general that clear coat type thing coming off of them in miscellaneous places. Some are cleaner than others, but they're generally in great shape. All kinds of cars to sale. That's all I gotta say. All kinds of cars. Yeah, good shape. Not worth cutting into them and painting them or anything. It's a clean rig. All right, here I am in the evening time, and let the sun go down, give you a different look at it. The truck looks good no matter what time of the day it is, that's for sure. But this is the truck. Nice. And I'm gonna hop in it and take you down the road for a test drive. It's getting chilly out this time of day, by the way. And we'll show you the interior. I think I did under the hood. That's about that. Okay. That's about every angle on it. Here's a look under the rubber mat. It's super clean back here. Seats fold down, all that good stuff. Little smudges and stuff. That could be cleaned. We haven't shampooed anything. I push it the wrong way most of the time. Can't get it, I do the wrong one. But that's the truck. Inside, bed liner. Bed liner. I showed you the bed liner thing. Door panels are in great condition. We replaced this switch, I believe. Seats are, it's the Eddie Bauer or the limited ones. There's no real tears, but it is, see it's split right there in a couple places. Other than that split, the interior is beautiful. Factory sunroof. What is it? 08782. Pedals have no wear. Floor mats are nice. Floors are nice. Manual, man. There's a crack right here, but this bad boy's got lumbar and power seats. All works. Pretty cool. And the console with the coin holder. That'll get about annoying. Cup holder and the coin holder. And then this. Pretty sweet. And they got a little pocket there. The handle will turn. So a guy should glue it on. It slips off. Here's the 4 studded snow tires for it. And they are BF Goodrich. And they've got all kinds of tread, man. All kinds of tread. And they're all in good shape. Still even got little titties on the side. And the ones that are on it, like you can see, have all kinds of tread, man. And these are the Michelins. Nice set, little titties everywhere on these. These are very recent. Got all the books and everything. Even has the Explorer pin. Now ask me about this, because this might not be included, because I do collect pins. That's that. I just wanted to add these couple things in. Back seat, door panels in great condition. A little discolored here, just from age. I don't think this is the right floor mat for it, but it's in here. These here, seats, great shape. Little gouge right there. Sunroof. It's a good truck. We've drove it around a bit. You know, things like this. You could spray paint that, put some little black on that, make it look really nice. I just haven't dug into it to do nothing to it, because it's just a nice, clean, original shape. Same thing discolored here. And this front is in great condition. The fronts aren't discolored, the back is. I don't know why. Windshield has a crack in it. Floor mats and carpet. Man, this thing's clean. It's so clean. I know I've said that a few times here. It's even got the cover for it. Stuff like that usually gets lost along the way on a car this old. A little chip right here, and a little corrosion starting right there. Top's clean. Got the ski rack or what have you. All right. Okay, here we are, and like I say, 87,000 miles on it. Sticky foam on the dash there. All the lights cycle off. The brake, the sensor stays on, unless you pull up on the e-brake just a little bit. Good brakes, good everything. Oh yeah, it's got all the books and everything. And these are, I gotta show you the tread. And I gotta show you the tires. Runs on down the road really nice. Good old truck. I do like them in a manual. My first brand new truck I bought was a 92 extra cab STX Ranger. Short bed. No, yeah, short bed. I think they were all short beds. And these things off-road nicely. They've got plenty of clearance. Makes it easy for me to get back in my house like this, because it's rush hour right now. Hard to pick the perfect test drive to do too. I mean, the truck drives good. And a little bump there. The shocks may need attention at some point, but as of right now, they ride nice and they're good. They are good. Let's see, I'm gonna put this over here, I think. Running out of room. I didn't remember if I did under the hood, so I'm gonna show under the hood. Super, super clean. A little bit of frame there. The only thing I could really complain about, nothing down here. It's clean, clean, clean. King of clean here. But the only thing I complain about is the, this piece is broken. It should have an extra little guard or something, motor cover. And that's about it, man. This is one clean Explorer. So that's that. That's your complete walk around. I get nice, clean things like this, and there's two more things I'm going to show you. All the time, I also get some project type stuff. Got some neat old Mercedes, you name it. All kinds of stuff. On these running boards, the top pieces are curled. So you know. Old Ford F700, I think? I don't know. Last year body of the F250. It's in a short bed 4x460. Got a nice Excursion for sale. All kinds of Trans Ams. And Tercel. Got a Tercel. Nice 51,000 original mile Tercel. Flare side Ford. Old Dodge. This one's sold. And then we got the Mustangs. We got Mustangs up the yin yang right now. Got 3 Mustangs. Old Centurion. All this stuff. Give me a call if you're interested in the Explorer. And by the way, both sides of the format or a running board is like that. There's 5 speeds for sale. Might have just sold the auto. Nice Cadillac. Got the Hummer H3T and the Bentley here with the, geez, I think it's got 5,900 original miles. And the sport van. So all kinds of cars for sale. All kinds more I didn't show. And also got an 03 convertible over there with the Mustangs. Nice GMT 400 with 100,000 on it. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you.